Sorry. Okay, Al Yasir. Thank you so much. Now we should start the lecture. Assalamu alaikum to all the students. Welcome to you all. This is actually our English literature class, okay? And I have decided to take a quick review of one or two chapters. ठीक है, हम जल्दी से मिड टर्म के जो चैप्टर्स हैं उनका रिव्यू कर लेते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी वर हैविंग दिस lesson number 7, the new partner. Actually this is not lecture number 15, this is you can say reinforcement lecture. Okay, okay. Now I hope you all are having your books in front of you so that we can start. And at the end, inshallah, I'll let you know about the notification, how we will be having our final exams. ठीक है, और उसके जो mock होंगे वो भी for your practice. It will be also told you in the end of the lecture. ठीक है, हम last के 10 minutes आज we will take it out. And in those last 10 minutes, we will not be having presentation question, but we will be having some information about the final exams, how online exams will be held. Okay, I'm giving you half a minute to take out your books and open. Okay, yes, I hope you all are having books in front of you. I'm also having my book. This is lesson number 7 and its page number is 42. Okay, page number 42. We are not going to read it, okay, line to line, line by line. I'm just telling you the main important points of this lesson, as we used to do this in our regular lectures also, that I have took out some key points of the topic and according to the chapters, and we will now quickly review of all these key points. This is the first chapter of lesson number 7, a letter from Agnes. Okay, in this chapter, we will get to know that Agnes writes a letter to David in which she wants to meet David. Okay, and she told David that I am staying at my father's friend house, which is in Alley Place, and my uncle name is Mr. Waterbrook. Okay, she is staying over there in Alley Place, Holborn, where David will be going to meet Agnes to the next day. And there Agnes and David, they talked about urea heap and their problems, what they are facing because of urea heap. This Agnes got worried because of urea heap activities, that he is persuading Mr. Wickfield, he is getting much power on us, and he is now over controlling my father and also business. Okay, also Mr. Wickfield's business, he is also overcoming on that, and we are very much worried about that. At page number 43, you can see the picture also that David is sitting with Agnes, and Agnes is about to cry. Okay, she is literally crying, and David was feeling very much pity on her, that he cannot do anything, and then the people are very much worried about it. Okay, then in the next, we came to know that Mr. Wickfield's foolishness. Okay, in that topic, David met Treadles in a party which was arranged by Mr. Waterbrook, okay, in his house, and the party was arranged for all the people he knows and his friends people. Means he is also calling, he is also inviting his own friends as well as Agnes the friend भी वहाँ पर मौजूद है, and who is belong to Agnes, they all are over there. Then there David met with Treadles, and when Mr. Waterbrook introduced Treadles to David or David to Treadles, then they came to know that they both are childhood friends, okay, at the Salem house. Then Next, Uriah Heep was very much, you can say, a thankless person. He is talking to David. When he talks David, he used to speak about Mr. Wickfield and said very bad words for Mr. Wickfield. That he is saying that he is a foolish man, as he has given me all the powers of the business, as well as he also told David that I like Agnes and I want means because due to her speech and due to because of all the things has happened, he is calling Mr. Wickfield a foolish person. And when David became angry at that, why you are calling him a foolish man, then Uriah said that he is a foolish man. Okay. Because after knowing all this happening, that Uriah is a very he used to pretend that he is a humble person, but he is a very sharp, very cunning person. And we came to know time to time in our question answers and in our summaries also that Uriah is a very humble, but he is showing himself humble, but he is a cunning person and he used slippery manners, okay, get people to get people very much uh, um, familiar with him. Okay, वो अपने अंडर में करने की ट्रैप करने की कोशिश करता है. And you just said about Mr. Wickfield that he is a foolish man because he knows all the thing. Then even he make me his partner. Okay, Agnes also told David that I am very much scared that Uriah is trying to be a business partner of Mr. Wickfield, and at in the next chapter we get to know that he has become the business partner of Mr. Wickfield. Then we have the next chapter, which is Uriah's wicked plan. This is not only the plan of Uriah that he is overcoming and over controlling Mr. Wickfield and his business. He has some another plans also. Okay, David showed his pride against Uriah. वो अपना डर, अपना खौफ शो करने की कोशिश करता है that he is and because of Uriah his activities, Mr. Wickfield is getting so much weak. Okay, he is getting so much weak. He is under control of Uriah Heep, as well as Uriah Heep persuade Mr. Wickfield to sign so many important papers and pretend that these papers are unimportant. You should not read them at all. Blindly just sign them. Okay, so many accuses we have also read in the next chapters. And then Uriah discloses his secrets to David. Okay, Uriah talks to David and he shows that he likes Agnes, and after getting all these properties and business authority, he will be getting married with Agnes. Okay, he has some plans. ये उसके plans में शामिल था. Then Agnes left London and she goes to her own house from his uncle's house. वो अपने waterproof uncle के घर से वापस अपने घर चली जाती है. Okay, next was Uriah's wicked plan. We have done. Okay, after Uriah's wicked plan, we have the chapter Dora. David was introduced to Dora. Okay. And he liked Dora very much at that time. Before that, Dora was not introduced to David. Okay, यहाँ तक Dora का कोई participation नहीं था in this whole novel. Now Dora is introduced over here, and David liked so much Dora that he decided to be friend of her, and then और फिर आगे के उसके future के plans. Miss Murdstone was also introduced as Dora's companion and guide by Mr. Spenlow. Okay, Mr. Spenlow was the you can say the boss of David. Okay, David is working in Spenlow and Jorkins. Okay, वो वहाँ practice भी करता था as a lawyer, and he was working under Mr. Spenlow. Dora is the daughter of Mr. Spenlow, so he introduced Dora over there that she is coming after completing her education from Paris. So you should stay, you should come on Saturday, following Saturday, and I will introduce you to my daughter. Okay, when David get dinner with them, or I think lunch with them, and he likes Dora very much, and he decided to go again and again to make familiar with her, and he decided to get married with her also. Then Miss Murdstone, who was actually you can say the aunt of David, जो उसके stepfather की जो sister थी Miss Murdstone, she again came over here and she was introduced as Dora's companion and guide, as Dora was not having her mother. Okay, So Miss Murdstone was a good companion of Dora and her guide also, and she has played a mother's role in the life of Dora. Okay. Then we have visitors. Okay. In this chapter, we will be having some visitors introduction over here. David visited Treadles and met the Micawbers over there. Okay, David also visited when they met in the party. Okay, so they exchanged their addresses, their contact numbers. So David visited to Treadles, his house, and there he met Mr. Micawber over there. Okay, then they came to know that we all are friends of each other. Then Steerforth also came to meet David. Steerforth also visited David over there and he met with David. David decided to meet his old nurse also. Then he asked Steerforth that I want to go to Yarmouth to see my old nurse who is Peggotty, and she will be very happy to see me, and we will be having a very good you can say good meeting after a long time. So Steerforth also invited David at his house. He said to David that you should go to meet Peggotty, but don't stay so much time over there. You should come to me also and stay with me also as long as he could. Means जितना तुम मेरे साथ आकर time spend करना चाहते हो, तुम आना मेरे पास and we will be meeting each other and we will be having a very good time with each other. Okay. So this was the first chapter. I am going to share one more topic. Okay, so that we will complete 2 topics today. आज हम 2 टॉपिक्स कंप्लीट कर लेंगे तो इट विल बी गुड फॉर अस कि हम आगे जाकर हमें प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. ओके, दिस इज माय लव फॉर डोरा. सो नेक्स्ट वन वाज एमिली, आई थिंक ना, एमिली लीव्स होम. अच्छा, लेट मी चेक फर्स्ट कि वो मैंने कहा. आई डोंट थिंक सो इट इज हियर. Is there any problem or am I going very fast? So you can also tell me if you people are having any problem, as we are having just review of that all. Okay, हम सिर्फ review कर रहे हैं. We are not spending so much time in it. इसलिए मैं ज़्यादा इसको time नहीं दे रही हूँ. If you want me to give more time to these types of explanation, you can tell me. तो हम आज एक chapter करते हैं. Doesn't matter. Yes. Okay, fine, fine. ठीक है. अच्छा. Now we are having this new topic of Emily leaves home. Or you can see this slide of Emily leaves home. Can you all see? Okay, Sharos. Thank you so much. Now, this is our lesson number 8. Okay, हम दो lesson करके complete कर लेंगे इंशाल्लाह. तो in this week, in this same week, we will inshallah complete the literature. Then in the next week, we will be having some related exercises of the literature. ठीक है, हम उससे related RDCs हो गए और guess the speakers हो गए, name the personalities हो गए. We will be doing these types of activities online. ठीक है, mock के साथ साथ हम ये भी करते रहेंगे. और mock क्या है, how you will be going to give your final exams, वो अभी हम discuss करते हैं. We are having some time. ठीक है, अभी हमारे पास time है. Okay. So this is the first chapter of lesson number 8 that David says goodbye to Steerforth. Okay. David took a short leave to visit Steerforth. Okay. As in the last page we have read that before going to Peggotty's house, David and Steerforth met with each other and they decided that, Steerforth had invited David to come to me also and stay with me also. Okay, so David took a short leave to visit Steerforth. He went over there, then he saw over there Rosa Dartle was there, Mrs. Steerforth was there, and they both asked about Steerforth's suspicious manners because Steerforth was having so many activities. He is involved in different types of activities which are very suspicious for Rosa Dartle. Okay, so Rosa, when they all walked outside the house, then Rosa Dartle dragged David towards her, and she asked David that what is happening in the mind of Steerforth, what he is going to do. Is he in love, or he is a proud person now getting, or he is doing something very wrong? What is happening? Okay, you can see in the second or third paragraph that what is he doing? She said with an eagerness that seemed to burn like fire in her. He is angry or proud or in love. What is he feeling? Means she has got different thinking about Steerforth, that he is doing something very wrong, something very suspicious. Means कोई शक शुबे वाली कोई ऐसी चीज है जो उसके दिल में आ रही थी कि he is not normal. वो जो normally behave करता है, he is not like this. Then also Rosa get angry when Steerforth showed so much power on her. Okay, वो उसको भी अपनी friendship में trap करने की कोशिश करता है. So Rosa was getting angry due to Steerforth's activities. Then David and Steerforth separated. Then David met with him, and then after 1 or 2 days he left from there. Next we have the chapter is A Light for Emily. Okay, in this topic we came to know that David reached Yarmouth. Okay, and Mr. Peggotty explained why he lit up the candle. Okay, so after some time when Emily didn't came to home and it's dark outside, so Mr. Peggotty took a candle and lit it up and put it in the by the window. So then when David was surprised to see all this, then Mr. Peggotty explained David that why did I light up the candle, that I am very much worried about Emily. When she will be coming to home, she will get to know that someone is waiting for her. Okay, जब वो वापस आएगी तो उसको अच्छा फील होगा कि someone is waiting for her and very anxiously waiting for her. Okay, now after that Ham came back alone and worried about the situation. They all are having this type of thinking that Ham will be coming with Emily. Okay, but when Ham came back alone to house, everybody was worried and he was also in a worried situation. And what did he reply to all the people, that why Emily is not with her? Then Ham's face was pale and white, and he called David outside so that he can tell the situation, the very critical situation about Emily only to David. वो Mr. Peggotty के सामने वो disclose नहीं करना चाह रहा था. But when after time to time when David asked to him that what is happening, what happened to you, where is Emily, what happened to her, then Ham start talking to him that whatever has done with Emily, and Emily has gone. Okay, then he also disclosed the letter of Emily, and they read all these things. And what was the Emily's letter? Achha, now I am going to read the letter which was written by Emily. See page number 53. Achha, when Ham told David about Emily's running away, at that time Mr. Peggotty was also standing on the door. Okay, वो छुप के उनकी बातें सुन लेते हैं, and he became shocked. और वो बहुत ज़्यादा unconscious होने लगते हैं, और he became shocked. और फिर वो उनसे बोलना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है, उनको खड़े रहना थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है, because he was an obviously old person. So when he cannot understand what the situation, और वो सदमा बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पाते, then David decided to find him. We were going to read the letter. Okay, yes, this is the letter, that you have always loved me more than I deserve. This is the letter which was written by Emily to Ham. Okay, this was the letter which was written by Emily, and it is written to Ham. वो Ham के लिए specially ये letter लिखती है. And when Mr. Peggotty said to read it, then he start read. You have always loved me more than I deserve, even when I was innocent of all bad thoughts. When you read this letter, I shall be far away. Okay, I shall be far away. Mr. Peggotty repeated. Stop, Emily, far away. Oh, when I leave my dear home, oh my dear home. This is all the wordings of Emily. Okay, वो अपनी feelings को show कर रही है वहाँ पर. In the morning, I will never come back there unless he marries me. Okay, the person who has taken me, Miss Steerforth, जो उसको भगाकर लेकर गया है, जब तक वो मुझसे शादी नहीं कर लेगा, I will not come back to home. I have done a terrible thing to you, and I know you can never forgive me. Oh, you cannot know how much I have suffered. Okay, but try to imagine it. I am too wicked to write about myself. Forget how kind and gentle you have all been to me, means you should forget all the things कि जो कुछ हमारे साथ पिछला होता रहा है वो सब भूल जाओ. Forget that we were going to be married, कि हम पिछले शादी भी करने वाले थे. Try instead of imagination that I died when I was little and I was buried somewhere. Okay, think that I have died. एमिली उससे क्या करिए कि मेरे बारे में, मुझसे शादी करने के बारे में सोचने को सोचना छोड़ दो और शादी की बात को भूल जाओ. खुद को भुलाने को नहीं कह रही है. And she is not telling that forget me. वो कह रही है the planning of marriage you should forget all the things and love another good girl who can love uncle and comfort him as I did. Forget me. I will pray for everyone. Okay, my last love and tears are for uncle. That was all. This was the all letter written by Emily to him. Then David decided to find Emily, Mr. Peggotty, and David left in search of Emily. And first they go to London. Okay, ये भी हम इसमें already read कर चुके हैं. Then Mr. Peggotty first visits to Mrs. Steerforth. तो पहले उसकी माँ के पास जाता है so that he can report his mother that when they decided the culprit is Steerforth, क्योंकि वही एक unknown सा बंदा था जो यहाँ पर आसपास घूम रहा था. So they decided to first go to his house. पहले उन्होंने जब Steerforth के ऊपर उनका शक गया तो they decided to go to Mrs. Steerforth's house so that they can talk about her son over there. David and Mr. Peggotty decided to meet Mrs. Steerforth. Mrs. Steerforth got angry that she said that no doubt that Steerforth is not sincere with Emily. Okay, वो उससे sincere नहीं है. It is just for fun for him. Steerforth उसको एक fun के तौर पर लेकर गया है. And he will never marry to Emily. Mr. Peggotty decided to find Emily by his home. When Mrs. Steerforth gave a cold shoulder means बहुत ही लापरवाही से उन्होंने जवाब दे दिया कि I cannot do anything in that case and I can only pay you money. Then Mr. Peggotty also got angry कि for my kid, for my child, you are paying me money so that I can forget her. No, it's not possible. I don't want your money. I want my girl. I want my Emily. Then Mr. Peggotty decided to find Emily by his own, and they both, David and Mr. Peggotty, they both went to London to find Emily over there. Okay, now we are, let's see the time. Achha, this is 10:34. Okay, we have still 15 minutes. Achha, now I'm going to give you some information about mock papers. Okay, or your final papers. ठीक है ना? अच्छा, this message is already you have learned. Okay, ये आपके पास मैसेज WhatsApp पर पहुंच चुका है. ठीक है? This is not new thing for you. First of all, it is very important information regarding the online final papers. Okay, all exams will be conducted on Google Classroom via Google Forms. As you all know that जिस तरह हम quiz और dictations conduct करते रहे हैं. Exams will be conducted during regular school hours. Okay, आपको 8:30 और 8 बजे से लेकर 12:30 तक की जो टाइमिंग है, the papers will be conducted in the same time. Okay, जैसे नॉर्मली होता था 38 to 11:30 और 12:30 whatever जो भी आपके स्कूल टाइमिंग्स हैं, अंडर ऑल दी स्कूल टाइमिंग्स, रेगुलर स्कूल टाइमिंग्स में ही आपका पेपर कंडक्ट किया जाएगा. Parents are advised to arrange all the necessary resources. Okay, all the gadgets, internet, etc. Whatever is the planning of how you will take this ऑनलाइन एग्जाम्स, ये आपने सब पहले करके रखनी है. ओके, कोई इंटरनेट इशू और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ब्रेकडाउन इशू, इट विल नॉट बी कंसीडर्ड बाय द स्कूल. ओके, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होता है आपने जरूर उन दिनों के लिए मे बी 1 वीक और 1.5 वीक, आपके 10 पेपर्स हैं, 8 पेपर्स हैं, तो आपको उन दिनों के लिए अपने आप को बिल्कुल अलर्ट रखना है. एज फार एज द गैजेट्स आर कंसर्न, इंटरनेट कंसर्न हो गया आपका, ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ब्रेकडाउन में कोई प्रॉब्लम होता है तो ये आपने सब अरेंज करके रखना है, बिकॉज इट विल बी द इन द सेम मैनर. सिर्फ डिफरेंस इतना है कि इट इज ऑनलाइन एंड इट्स यू आर गिविंग दीज पेपर्स एट योर सिटिंग एट योर होम. ठीक है, देयर इज नथिंग डिफरेंट. Okay, now school will not be held responsible in case of network issue or power failure. You are expected to make alternate arrangements prior to taking the online exams. Okay, आपने priorly आपको arrangements पहले से करके रखने हैं. We have implemented the following policies to maintain academic integrity. Number 1 is multiple forms will be uploaded on classrooms and these forms will be opened one by one after the completion and submission of each form. Means your first form will be posted at 8:30. Okay, and it is having only 20 questions. Suppose Okay. At 8:30, Form A will be uploaded, Form A will be posted, and you have to start at 8:30 solving Form A. And its time duration according to the question answer. Suppose कि words meaning का अगर आप question answers का एक form है, so you are having 20 words meaning, okay, and you are having 20 minutes or 40 minutes, maybe double of it, okay, yeah, 1.5 of it or 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, the response acceptance will be closed. Okay, after 30 minutes means 8:30 से 9 o'clock. At 9 o'clock, the teacher will stop taking responses. पहले वो उन responses को stop करेगी. Now you cannot give another response. आप उसके अंदर नहीं कर सकते. Means if something happened in case of network issue या power failure के issue या gadgets की unavailability के through आपको कोई problem हो जाता है in this 30 minutes, तो the school will not be responsible. ठीक है, आपने एक extra या 2 extra gadgets अपने पास रखने हैं. Or if you are having 2, 3, 4 siblings at a time you are giving the paper, so you should have 4 gadgets with you. ठीक है. Now at 9 o'clock, first form responses will be, acceptance will be stopped, okay, and then after 2 minutes or 3 minutes, the next form will be posted. आपको 2-3 मिनट का गैप दिया जाएगा so that you can submit. इसी में आपने नेम भी ऐड करना है. Your email address should be written in this time, included time. ठीक है, इसी आधे घंटे में, सपोज अगर आधा घंटा है तो इसी हाफ एन आवर में आपने अपना नेम, अपनी क्लास के सेक्शंस और एंड वन मोर थिंग, you have to give the proper section. Okay, if you are in class 7A, so you have to write class 7A. With the G के students, if they are merged also, then also you have to give class section A and B. Okay, G section is eliminated. G section को please consider मत कीजिएगा in my paper of reading. ओके, आपने सिर्फ अपने ए और बी के ही सेक्शंस को कंसीडर करना है. जी वाले ही अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर recent sections they will be writing their sections. Okay, आप A और B के ही थ्रू करेंगे, G को आप एलिमिनेट कर दीजिए. Okay, now after 2 or 3 minutes of stopping the acceptance responses, ठीक है, the next form will be posted at 9:05, okay, or 9:04 जो कि हमारा टाइमिंग होगा. Only one attempt is allowed, okay, perform, and once the form is submitted it could not be reattempted and resubmitted. उसके बाद उन responses की acceptance को दोबारा नहीं, जो stop की गई हैं उसको दोबारा reopen नहीं किया जाएगा. It will be only first attempt. Okay, it will not be reattempted or resubmitted. Then limited time will be allotted for each form and students must submit the form within the given time slot. Okay, इसी टाइम ड्यूरेशन में अगर तो आपका बैटरी लैपटॉप की और एनी मोबाइल बैटरी वो पावर फेलियर में कोई प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है या नेटवर्क इशू आता है, तो वो आपका फॉर्म वहीं का वहीं स्टॉप हो जाएगा एंड इट विल नॉट बी सबमिटेड. ओके, तो इसलिए अपनी चीज़ों को बहुत ज़्यादा केयरफुली सारी चीज़ों को मैनेज करके रखिएगा. Failure to do so will result in grade of 0. Looking forward for your mutual cooperation. Okay, if you will be cooperating, it will be easier for you also and for us also. Okay. Acha. After that, now I am going to inform you about some mock papers. ठीक है, आपके mock papers हो रहे हैं. Maybe आज शायद कोई है आपका या आज नहीं है. I think कल से start हो रहे हैं. I don't know about this, but these mock papers are actually the practice papers. Okay, जैसे हमारे 9-10 के बोर्ड पेपर से पहले preliminary exams होते हैं in the school, ताकि students know how they have to perform in the examination hall, examination room. Okay, तो उसी तरह these are the mock papers. ये आपके mock papers होंगे. This is actually the final or grand practice of your final online papers, because this is the first time you are giving online final exams. Okay, और बहुत सारी कुछ चीज़ों के साथ है. तो what will be happening, इसी तरह हम आपको multiple forms में आपको एक पेपर बनाकर देंगे. ओके, एंड उसका टाइमिंग आपको आज I will be uploading today about this. उसका सिलेबस भी मैं आपको आज मेंशन कर दूंगी होमवर्क में, एंड अबाउट द टाइमिंग्स. ओके, उसके बारे में सारी चीज़ें आपको इन्फॉर्म कर दी जाएंगी जस्ट आफ्टर द क्लास. अच्छा, मॉक पेपर में होगा क्या, आई विल बी मेकिंग 2-3 फॉर्म्स ऑफ 3 और 5 क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है, वैसे तो द नॉर्मल ऑनलाइन पेपर जो फाइनल पेपर्स हैं हमारे, they are consist of 4 forms, 5 forms, or each form is having 20 क्वेश्चन 25 क्वेश्चन, ठीक है, उसको 100 मार्क्स के एक्यूमुलेट करने के लिए वी हैव डिवाइडेड दी फॉर्म्स क्वेश्चंस कि 21 में 21 में 21 में, इसका 3 4 5 फॉर्म्स हमने बना दिए. बट इन द मॉक पेपर दिस इज ओनली द प्रैक्टिस, सो इट इज जस्ट यू कैन से प्रैक्टिस है ना, तो इट इज slightly it is totally equal to that, but आपकी quantity of question जो है वो कम हो जाएगी, ठीक है. From tomorrow your papers are going to start, mock papers, ठीक है, in this week also, in the next week also. Okay, English paper will be on Wednesday. Okay, tomorrow we will be having literature paper, ठीक है, tomorrow we will be having literature paper. On Wednesday we will be having English literature paper at 1:30. I will be giving this timetable and syllabus today in the classroom. मैं उसको अभी post कर दूंगी with this रिकॉर्डिंग लेक्चर, ठीक है, जो हमारा अभी आज का रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है लेक्चर, उसके साथ साथ मैं वो भी आपको होमवर्क भी पोस्ट कर दूंगी. इन दैट वी विल बी हैविंग द सिलेबस ऑफ टुमारोज मॉक पेपर, ठीक है, उन्हीं 2 टॉपिक जैसे वी हैव कंप्लीटेड टुडे द न्यू पार्टनर एंड एमिली लीव्स होम. टुमारो वी विल बी हैविंग द सेम 2 टॉपिक्स मॉक पेपर. ओके, उससे रिलेटेड वर्ड मीनिंग, वन वर्ड आंसर्स, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स and RTC, guess the personality, 4-5 क्वेश्चन के 2-3 फॉर्म्स I will be giving to you और time to time. Okay, at 1:30 it will be starting. 1:30 से start होगा. Okay, 1:30 से आपका पेपर स्टार्ट होगा and it will be maybe having you can say 15 मिनट्स का भी हो सकता है, ठीक है, और 30 मिनट्स का भी हो सकता है. बेटे ज़ुहैब वी आर नॉट हैविंग दी मार्किंग इन दैट पेपर, ठीक है, ये सिर्फ आपकी प्रैक्टिस के लिए है कि आपने किस तरह टाइम ड्यूरेशन के अंदर अपने उन 5 क्वेश्चंस को कंप्लीट करने हैं. दीज आर 5 इन द मॉक पेपर. यू विल बी हैविंग 20 to 25 क्वेश्चंस इन द फाइनल ऑनलाइन पेपर्स, ठीक है. तो आपको सिर्फ एक प्रैक्टिस के तौर पे बताया जा रहा है कि हाउ यू हैव टू इन द टाइम ड्यूरेशन, आपने नेम भी मेंशन करना है, क्लास सेक्शन भी मेंशन करना है, ईमेल आईडी भी टाइपिंग करनी है, एंड दीज ऑल आर एमसीक्यूज बेस्ड, ठीक है, ये आपके सारे एमसीक्यूज बेस्ड होंगे. शॉर्ट आंसर्स वाली जो सीन है वो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स इन राइटिंग शॉर्ट आंसर्स, ठीक है, उसमें ज़्यादा आप लोगों को प्रॉब्लम होगी. मे बी यू हैव नॉट यूज्ड कैपिटल लेटर, आपने कॉमा नहीं यूज़ किया जगह पर, आपने फुल स्टॉप यूज़ नहीं किया जगह पर, तो इट विल बी रॉन्ग, ठीक है. तो इसके बेटर जी, सॉरी इट्स अ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ इंटरनेट. अच्छा, तो हम कहाँ थे? यस, so we will be having this short paper just like online final paper, लेकिन ये short type of paper होगा, ठीक है. सॉरी, यस, ओके फाइन. तो व्हेन यू विल बी गिविंग दिस पेपर, टाइम टू टाइम आपको पोस्ट होता रहेगा. ओके, 2 मिनट के गैप से 3 पेपर्स में भी आई विल बी 3 फॉर्म्स आई विल बी मेकिंग फॉर टुमारो. ओके, each form will be having 4 or 5 questions. उसकी मार्किंग नहीं है कोई, इट्स जस्ट फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस, ठीक है, वो सिर्फ आपकी प्रैक्टिस के लिए है, नथिंग एल्स. और दूसरी चीज है कि आफ्टर each form is having 2 minute gaps between each other, ठीक है. एक फॉर्म आपका पोस्ट हो गया, आपने सबमिट कर दिया, उसका टाइम खत्म हो गया, ठीक है. मे बी आई एम गिविंग यू 5 क्वेश्चन, तो आई विल बी गिविंग यू 10 मिनट्स फॉर दैट. ओके, आफ्टर 10 मिनट्स में उसको 1:30 से 1:40 पे पोस्ट होगा, 1:40 पे उसका टाइम खत्म हो जाएगा, ठीक है. आफ्टर 1:40 रिस्पॉन्सेज, आपके रिस्पॉन्सेज एक्सेप्टेंस मैं स्टॉप कर दूंगी, और फिर 1:42 और 1:43 पे मैं आपको नेक्स्ट फॉर्म अपलोड करूंगी. यू हैव टू बी वेरी अलर्ट इन योर गूगल क्लासरूम. आपने 1:42 पे दूसरा पेपर स्टार्ट करना है, और फिर उसके 10 मिनट्स के बाद आई विल बी स्टॉप टेकिंग रिस्पॉन्सेज, और फिर आफ्टर 2 मिनट्स में तीसरा फॉर्म अपलोड करूंगी. ओके, जब आप ये कंप्लीट कर लेंगे, आपका इंग्लिश लिटरेचर मॉक विल बी टुमारो, एंड ऑन थर्सडे यू विल बी हैविंग इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. ओके, आपके हर इन दिस वीक यू विल बी हैविंग 2 days for English, and in the next week also you will be having 2 days of English. The timetable है according to the time duration, आपका syllabus, okay, topics I am uploading, I am posting just after this class recording. okay, इसकी recording post करने के बाद मैं आपको सारे होमवर्क के तौर पे वो सारी चीजें पोस्ट कर दूंगी. ओके ओके शहरोज, यस, ओके फाइन. Is there any confusion about that? कोई और चीज है जो पूछना चाह रहे हैं? Is there any problem? So you can ask me right now. ओके, टुमारो ऑल्सो वी विल बी हैविंग क्लास। अगर उस वक्त आपको कोई चीज याद आती है, कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है, कोई इशू होता है, तो यू कैन ऑल्सो आस्क मी टुमारो बिफोर द क्लास। ओके, और अगर कोई इशू नहीं है और आफ्टर टेकिंग टुमारोज मॉक फिर कोई इशू होता है, देन यू कैन ऑल्सो टेल मी इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास। ठीक है, आप मुझे नेक्स्ट क्लास में किसी भी वक्त कोई प्रॉब्लम है, बिकॉज दिस इज द मॉक फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस। ये मॉक है ही आपकी प्रैक्टिस के लिए। ओके, इफ यू आर नॉट आस्किंग now we should leave so that you can prepare yourself for the next mock, for the tomorrow's mock। ठीक है, आप अपने प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिएगा। ओके बेटे, इफ यू आर नॉट हैविंग एनी प्रॉब्लम, आई एम जस्ट लीविंग द क्लास। ठीक है, बिकॉज मे बी द इंटरनेट कनेक्शन इज हैविंग सम प्रॉब्लम। इंशाल्लाह वी विल मीट टुमारो, और अगर कोई इशू हो तो यू कैन ऑल्सो आस्क मी टुमारो। ओके, yes, Arif, are you are having any problem? Do you want to ask something?
ये है कि मिस ये
जी,
पूछ रहा था मिस, मार्क्स हमें उसी वक्त पता चल जाएंगे?
सॉरी,
मिस मार्क्स कह रहा हूँ, उसी वक्त पता चल जाएंगे?
मॉक के मार्क्स कह रहे हैं आप? मॉक में कोई मार्क्स नहीं है, इट इज जस्ट फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस। जैसे हमारा रिवीजन होता है ना, रिवीजन में तो हम मार्किंग नहीं
जी
करते। ओके,
यस।
ठीक है ना, अगर
ओके
रिवीजन टेस्ट है तो दिस इज अनदर थिंग, लेकिन जो आपका ओनली रिवीजन होता है उसमें हम मार्किंग नहीं करते ना आपको। दिस इज द मॉक लाइक जस्ट लाइक रिवीजन। ओके, ये आपका रिवीजन टाइप समझ लीजिए आप इसको, ये आपकी तैयारी भी है, एक आपका रिवीजन है, इसमें कोई मार्किंग नहीं है। ठीक है, विदाउट एनी मार्किंग यू विल बी हैविंग दिस पेपर। यस हलीमा, आर यू गोइंग टू आस्क समथिंग?
मिस कितने मार्क्स का पेपर है हमारे फाइनल का?
फाइनल बेटे इट्स 100 मार्क्स, टोटल 100। ठीक है, ओके जी, इंशाल्लाह वी विल मीट टुमारो। टिल देन, अल्लाह हाफिज टू ऑल ऑफ यू। टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ एंड प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ फॉर द papers. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.